Hi everyone, Cha Chaan Teng is the story of Ming, a boy whose parents run a Cha Chaan Teng in Hong Kong. Please subscribe to our channel and watch the video until the end to get the latest news on Cha Chaan Teng.
返到去茶餐廳嘅時候，譚仔叔叔問我有冇收到人客嘅錢，佢話收到錢之後要俾返佢。我於是話我暫時袋住啲錢先，聽日喺電話問過爸爸媽媽之後，先俾錢你。
細路仔係要返學讀書，而唔係做大人嘅嘢。
譚仔叔叔，我只係想幫手同你一齊搞好茶餐廳。求求你，我會好小心保管住啲錢。我同爸爸媽媽講好咗之後，就會俾錢你㗎。譚仔叔叔冇出聲就行開咗。對面涼茶鋪嘅老闆走咗入嚟茶餐廳。
小朋友，你近來如何啊？你哋鋪頭生意好嗎？
我皺住眉頭話：我好似令到廚師譚仔叔叔唔係咁開心。
你遇到困難，你唔使心急，你亦唔使煩惱。個廚師叔叔想難為你呢，你都唔使怕。只要佢有生意，佢就會開心㗎喇。我俾啲中藥俾你，你就煲俾啲客人飲。嗰啲客人呢，假如心境唔好，佢都可以開心嘅。只要你能夠勤力啲，好好咁樣呢對待客人，遇到乜嘢困難都好啦，只要你咪咪嘴笑，因為你而家呢年紀仲係輕，唔懂得好多世事。世間上呢有好多好狡猾嘅嘢嘅，你呢都唔好擺喺我心嗰度。總之呢，俾啲心機。而家呢，俾你一條君子湯，黨參、白術、雲苓、植甘草，飲多2次呢，佢自然會開心㗎喇，又好飲。
冇幾耐，尖尖嘅媽媽打電話嚟茶餐廳。
明仔，你今日有冇見過尖尖？工人姐姐同我講話，尖尖自己走咗出街，唔喺屋企做功課，佢就嚟激死我啦！
我唔知啊。我突然間諗起涼茶鋪老闆講起嘅君子湯。Auntie， 茶餐廳推出一款君子湯，飲咗令人健康又開心。你要唔要試下啊？
吓？你係唔係驚我真係俾尖尖激死，所以叫我飲君子湯？ 過兩日，我叫工人姐姐落嚟你茶餐廳買飯盒，順便要個君子湯啦。
好啊，多謝。
如果你見到尖尖，就叫佢即刻返屋企。
明仔，有客人入緊嚟。
唔該，係唔係有飯盒賣？
係啊，有抗疫日子餐飯盒。
我要6個飯盒，幾多錢
？360蚊。
我轉頭過嚟攞。
我認得個客人係對面大廈搭棚嘅工人叔叔，我覺得佢哋好似蜘蛛俠，喺竹棚上爬嚟爬去。
Bamboo scaffolding is still widely used in the Hong Kong construction world. It is not common in other places, including mainland China. Compared to steel, bamboo is much lighter and faster to erect and dismantle. Bamboo poles can also be cut to fit into an outward space, which is ideal for Hong Kong, where construction space can be tight amid its very densely packed buildings. Skilled gaffers with nylon rods can erect enough bamboo to engulf a building in a days, even hours, using techniques that are thousands of years old and have been passed down through generations. It is common to see bamboo bankly jutting from the sides of buildings in Hong Kong. That is one of the characteristics of Hong Kong. Another unique aspect of Hong Kong is traditional Chinese medicine shops are still around in this modern city. Many Hongkongers, especially the older generation, believe that Chinese herbal medicine is good for treating chronic illnesses and boosting the immune system. The decoction of gentlemen, also called Four Gentlemen decoctions, was mentioned in this episode. It is one of the well-known formulas of Chinese medicine traditions. It has the role of enhancing immune functions, promoting metabolism, delaying aging, and anti-stress responses. If anyone is interested in knowing the behind-the-scenes stories of each character of Cha Chaan Teng, some tips on learning Cantonese, some dialect of the older generation in Hong Kong, even some knowledge of Chinese herbal medicine, etc., anyway, anything about the culture of Hong Kong, please join our Patreon. Each subscriber will receive a postcard from Cha Chaan Teng with original artwork about Hong Kong. There will also be videos that teach you how to write Chinese. The postcards are specially made by us, and they capture many different scenes of Hong Kong. Hope we can help you to enjoy and embrace the beauty of Hong Kong culture. Thank you.